Welcome back, everybody. In today's episode of Cooking with Kirby, we're going to be making something delicious. I got some leftover brisket, and you know what? I got this sandwich idea in my head, and it's going to go down, and that's coming up. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media. That way you can get notification of all my new recipes. So for our sandwich, we're going to start off with a sauce. I got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise right here. And we're gonna be adding some ingredients to it. We're gonna make this thing pop. So I'm gonna be adding in 1 chipotle pepper that's chopped up really good. Chipotle peppers are jalapenos that are pretty much smoked, and they got them in a nice sauce, adobo sauce. This is gonna add a nice heat to it and a good flavor. Now, depending on how spicy you want it, go ahead and add, another one, or just use a half of one if you don't want it so spicy. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey Dijon mustard. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and we're gonna squeeze the juice of a half of a lime. All right, let's go ahead and give this a mix. Yeah, I've used those chipotle peppers before in a sauce, and it comes out fantastic. I did a BLT one time, and it was really good. I mean, I packed that BLT with like crazy. Oh yeah. This sauce is gonna be pretty good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn on our Blackstone. Now adjust the temperature to medium heat. This thing, once it gets hot, it's hot, man. So yeah, we don't need a whole lot of heat. We're not cranking this up. So let's go ahead and just set it to medium heat. Make sure you scrape off your previous oil that you had there. Dirt gets on there and stuff like that. You don't want that in your food. All right, so I lay down a little bit of oil. Now we're gonna go ahead and drop down our brisket. I kind of chopped this already. I just gave it a fine chop, but we're gonna go ahead and break it up with our spatula. I am gonna put out a brisket video, just not this brisket because I overcooked it. Just go ahead and give it a toss. This is gonna be really quick. This is gonna be a quick meal. Go ahead and hit it with just a little bit of salt and pepper. Now I only season the outside of the brisket, so the inside doesn't really have any seasoning. Now I do have the side burners. I'm focusing all my energy in this area right here, right in the middle. So side burners are off because we're gonna be transferring food, so that way it's not overcooking. Scoot this over to the side a little bit. Lay down a little bit of oil right here. Green peppers and some purple onion. We're gonna go ahead and sweat those down. Go ahead and coat them with a little bit of cooking oil. And hit them with some salt and pepper. All right, go ahead and give our brisket a toss. This is looking good. Go ahead and chop that up a little bit. I actually overcooked this brisket, so it's gonna be really easy to separate it. Just use your spatula just to kind of like chop it up. So, now that we got this pretty much heated up, we're gonna go ahead and separate this into two mountain things of brisket deliciousness right here. Kind of shape it to about what your bun's gonna be. Go ahead and top each tower with some pepper jack cheese. Just like that. Go ahead and give these a toss. All right, so I picked up a French roll and just sliced it. So we're gonna go ahead and put down some mayonnaise, and we're gonna go ahead and get these toasted. Put that down. And you also wanna get that other side also because we're gonna flip it. All right, got the last toast on there. I'm gonna go ahead and smash these down just a tad bit. We're already good right here. Go ahead and give another toss to this onion and bell pepper. You know what would have been good with this? Is some mushrooms. Let me know in the comment section if you think this would have been good with some mushrooms. Some sliced up mushrooms, kind of make it like a cheesesteak. A brisket cheesesteak sandwich. Yeah. All right, these are almost there. Add a little bit of oil just to kind of help that out and get these going. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move our brisket meat over here to the side so that way that don't continue cooking. These are pretty much done. That's got good color. I could have used a little bit more. All right, same thing with these onions and peppers. Go ahead and take them over here to the side that's turned off. That way, as soon as these are done, we'll assemble our sandwich. Go ahead and turn this side off. All we're doing is toasting, so you don't need to waste your gas, so you only got one burner going. All right, so these are done. I'm gonna go ahead and take these toasts off. And we'll just go ahead and finish this one off. But these are good. That one's good right here. All right, so we got our toasted bread here. Lay down some of our special mayonnaise right here. Go ahead and put on some of our brisket. Look at that, it's already looking good. Go ahead and top it with some onion and green peppers. I'm telling you, mushrooms would have been nice in this. Now just to finish this off, go ahead and add some more of our house mayonnaise right there. That special sauce, that's what we're gonna be calling this. And that right there, folks, is a brisket sandwich. Look at this. I definitely need to get my fat pants because this thing looks delicious. Woo, man. Hashtag get your fat pants. All right, I've been waiting for this. That's it. Smells good. Let's give it a try. Cheers, y'all. Man, that sauce is killer. Let me get some more of that. That's what that needs, is more of that sauce. Cheers, y'all. That's where it's at. Definitely a fantastic sandwich. You really gotta try this one out. That sauce is amazing. And then just the combination of all the ingredients, really, really good. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. That way you can see future videos just like this. As always, I'll leave the link in the video description and in the comment section so that way you can go to my website, cookingwithkirby.com, to get the full printable recipe. I have these recipes. They're really good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.